Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a dual purpose nipple and nappy balm for use when breastfeeding and on baby's bottom. So today's recipe is really quite straightforward, but it will take you some time as you do need to make the herb infused chamomile oil. So I previously showed you how to make chamomile oil in my 3 quick and easy zero waste DIYs video. But to recap, you take a glass jar, you fill it with your dried chamomile, and then you would take some olive oil and pour that in until it reaches the top, and you need to let that settle several times. Then you'd put the lid on your jar and you'd set it aside for several weeks to infuse. You can speed this up by heating it in a double boiler for 4 hours, but it's really just easier just to do that step and put it to the side for several weeks to let the herb infuse into the oil. You then pour the herbs and the oil through a strainer into a jug, collect up your oil and then pop it aside in a little jar ready for use in this project. So you'll need your chamomile infused olive oil. You'll also need some shea butter. So I've been using shea butter heavily throughout my pregnancy to moisturise my bum and any areas that might get stretch marks, and it works really well moisturising the skin. It's along with olive oil, shea butter is one of the things that's closest to skin's actual own sebum, its own oils that it produces naturally. So it works really well to make the skin nice and supple and stretchy and keep it moisturised in a way that's actually natural to the skin and mimics the skin's own process of keeping itself moisturised. So shea butter is something I would really recommend you have. I buy it in 1 kilogram tubs and they last me a long time and I use a lot of it. I also use it moisturising my face, my hands, and I use it in a lot of my DIY recipes, so it's definitely something I would recommend having in your stock cupboard if you're going to make your own zero waste DIYs. So the 2 ingredients are the chamomile infused olive oil and the shea butter. You'll also need a double boiler, so you can do this just with a glass jam jar or similar that you're going to sit inside your pan of boiling water on the hob. So that the ingredients go into the jam jar, they're not touching the water directly, and that they're going to be heated by the water being heated via the pan. So they're not directly on the heat, they're sort of kept away from it slightly. Once you've melted it, you're going to need a container to pour it into. So I have these little metal cosmetics containers, sorry that's very bright, which I bought a lot of because I do a lot of these sorts of things, and once they're finished I can clean them out and use them again. But you could also use a small glass jar. You just need some other container that you can pour this into, that you're going to be able to easily scoop out the amount that you need and pop it in your changing bag or in your handbag and things when you're out and about with baby in public, and you're going to need to just quickly grab some of this dual purpose balm. So those are the things that you're going to need, and let's get started. enjoyed today's video. If you did, please remember to give it a big thumbs up. It really does help my channel to grow. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and the little bell notification icon so that you get updated every time I upload a new video. If you'd like to support me on my channel in making more videos like this, then head on over to Patreon, where I'm currently running a special offer. If you become a patron of this channel from $1 a month, then you will receive from me a handwritten personalised postcard on top of the other benefits for the tier that you choose. So the tiers start from $1 a month and go up to $20 a month. And at each different tier you get a different amount of benefits from me. I'm hoping to get to 100 patrons who are supporting this channel on an ongoing basis so that I've got some consistency and I can budget for buying in supplies for making videos in future and become a bit more scheduled and regimented about actually making content on a regular basis and having the supplies I need to do the larger projects that I want to do. So my goal is to reach 100 patrons, and when we do this I'll be having a celebratory live stream here on YouTube where you can ask me questions and we can get to know each other better. But that offer on Patreon for the personalised handwritten postcard from me on top of the other benefits is running from the 1st of May to the 14th of May 2020. So if you'd like to get that personalised handwritten note from me, then make sure you head on over to Patreon in that time frame and sign up to become a patron. If you become a patron at another time, then you'll still get all the other benefits. You just won't get the special offer of the handwritten personalised card. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.